Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to take the guesswork out of your trading using PivotCore.net, an advanced automated trading platform designed specifically for Deriv users. If you've been trading manually, you know how stressful it is to watch every single tick. That's why we're using PivotCore today. It connects directly to your Deriv API, letting you run high-speed strategies with zero emotional interference. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced bot trader, this interface is built to give you full control over your risk and your results. Now, let's look at the strategy I've set for this session. We're focusing on digit over-under. Specifically, I've configured the bot to look for 4 over and 5 under opportunities. Why this strategy? It's a doubt probability. By balancing our over and under targets, we're looking to capture the natural variance in the market's last digit movements. On PivotCore, setting this up is incredibly simple. You just select your market, like Volatility 100, choose your trade type, and let the algorithm do the heavy lifting. You'll notice the execution is nearly instant, which is crucial for digit-based trading where every millisecond counts. For this demonstration, I'm running a fixed set of 10 trades. My goal isn't to win every single one. That's not how professional trading works. My plan is to secure 5 wins out of 10. As you watch the bot run on the screen, notice the discipline. It doesn't double down out of frustration or skip a trade out of fear. It follows the PivotCore logic exactly as programmed. This is the secret sauce of automated trading. By targeting a 50% win rate with the right payout structure on Deriv, we can maintain a healthy balance and grow the account steadily without high-risk gambles. While the trades are finishing up, let's talk about why you should be using PivotCore.net. Most platforms are either too complicated or too limited. PivotCore hits the sweet spot. Seamless integration. It connects to your Deriv account in seconds. Speed. It reacts to market data faster than any human can. Variety. From digit differs to over-under and even-odd, you have every tool at your fingertips. If you're tired of losing money because of late entries or emotional decisions, moving to an automated platform like this is the best move you can make for your trading career. As we wrap up the session, you can see our 10-trade plan worked exactly as expected. We hit our target, stayed disciplined, and the platform performed flawlessly. If you want to start using these same bots and strategies, head over to PivotCore.net right now. Sign up, connect your Deriv account, and start trading smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more automated strategies, and I'll see you in the next trade.